Did you know that your car is running a hidden army of more than 70 sensors, all quietly monitoring everything from engine performance to transmission behavior, emissions, and even safety systems? Most drivers assume that a sensor only triggers a dashboard warning light when something goes wrong, but the reality is far more serious. When just one sensor fails, it can set off a chain reaction that leads to thousands of dollars in repairs, sometimes even $3,000, $5,000, or $10,000. And yet, many car owners remain completely unaware of the ticking time bombs under their hoods. These small, often overlooked components control critical engine functions, and neglecting them can silently destroy your car long before a single warning light appears. Today, we're going to uncover the first 7 of these sensors, explain exactly how they fail, and show you how to prevent catastrophic damage with simple inspections and maintenance. Let's start with the mass airflow, or MAF sensor. This tiny device sits near the air intake and measures precisely how much air enters the engine. The ECU, your car's brain, uses this data to calculate the perfect air-fuel mixture for combustion. When the MAF sensor fails or becomes dirty, the ECU begins guessing, which leads to poor combustion, engine misfires, black smoke, and eventually a clogged catalytic converter, which can cost upwards of $3,500 to replace. On top of that, a malfunctioning MAF can reduce fuel economy by as much as 25%, which is like paying for an extra tank of gas every month. The fix is simple yet critical. Clean the sensor every 20,000 to 30,000 miles with MAF cleaner spray, and always replace it with a genuine OEM part when needed. Neglecting this tiny sensor can silently drain both your wallet and your car's efficiency. Next is the oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, one of the most common but often ignored failures in modern cars. Its role is to measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases and ensure that the engine is running neither too rich nor too lean. A bad O2 sensor sends incorrect signals to the ECU, which causes poor fuel mixture management. This leads to burned spark plugs, damaged pistons, and once again, a catalytic converter that may fail prematurely. Experts estimate that ignoring a failed O2 sensor can cost drivers as much as $1,000 per year in wasted fuel alone. The alarming part is that many drivers continue to operate their cars with the check engine light illuminated, unaware that their engine is under continuous stress, costing money month after month without obvious symptoms. The third sensor, the NOx sensor, is your engine's silent guardian against internal detonation. Engine knock happens when fuel combusts unevenly inside the cylinders, producing a metallic pinging or rattling sound. The NOx sensor detects this vibration and signals the ECU to adjust ignition timing, preventing catastrophic damage. However, when the NOx sensor fails, your engine loses this critical protection, and uncontrolled detonation can crack pistons, damage cylinder walls, and cause engine failure. Repairs for knock-related damage can range from $4,000 to $7,000. If your car feels sluggish, loses power uphill, or flashes a check engine light, the NOx sensor may be silently failing, and addressing it early is essential to prevent an expensive rebuild. Another sensor that often flies under the radar is the transmission fluid temperature sensor. This sensor monitors the heat level in your transmission and informs the ECU when to adjust shift points or engage cooling systems. Heat is one of the leading causes of transmission failure, accounting for over 90% of all breakdowns. If this sensor malfunctions, the transmission continues to operate at dangerous temperatures, cooking the fluid, burning clutch packs, and potentially requiring a full rebuild. The cost to replace this sensor is generally under $200, but ignoring it can easily cost you $5,000 in transmission repairs. Despite its importance, many drivers never even consider it during routine maintenance, leaving a critical system vulnerable. The throttle position sensor, or TPS, is another small but vital component. It communicates to the ECU the exact position of the gas pedal, telling the engine whether you're accelerating, coasting, or coming to a stop. When the TPS malfunctions, your car may experience jerky shifts, poor fuel economy, and sudden stalling at the worst possible times. A TPS failure can even mimic transmission problems, leading mechanics to suggest a costly rebuild when in reality a $100 sensor is the culprit. Properly diagnosing and replacing this sensor can save thousands in unnecessary repairs while restoring smooth performance and reliable throttle response. Sensor number 6, the crankshaft position sensor, is essentially the heartbeat monitor of your engine. It tells the ECU the precise position of the crankshaft so that spark plugs fire at exactly the right time and fuel is injected at the optimal moment. When this sensor fails, your car might crank endlessly, stall randomly, or refuse to start entirely. Many drivers mistakenly assume they need a new starter or alternator when the real problem is this small sensor, which typically costs under $75. Ignoring a failing crankshaft position sensor can result in repeated misfires that stress the engine's bearings and timing components, eventually leading to catastrophic failure. Finally, the camshaft position sensor works hand in hand with the crankshaft sensor to fine-tune timing for maximum engine efficiency. If it malfunctions, you might notice rough idling, poor acceleration, or even early timing chain wear. Luxury automakers, including BMW and Audi, have issued service bulletins linking camshaft sensor failures to premature timing chain stretch, a repair that can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000. Fortunately, replacing the camshaft sensor is inexpensive, generally under $200, but catching the problem early is critical to avoid far more costly repairs down the line. At this point, you might be wondering how many of these sensors you've actually checked on your car. Have you ever experienced a mystery check engine light that turned out to be a simple sensor issue? Sharing these experiences can help others avoid massive repair bills. The first 7 sensors we've covered, the MAF, O2, knock, transmission temperature, throttle position, crankshaft, and camshaft sensors, are all engine and transmission focused, silently monitoring key systems. If they fail, they don't just trigger lights, they can slowly degrade your car, reduce efficiency, and create costly damage that sneaks up on even the most vigilant drivers. The next part of this series will reveal sensors that protect your safety, tires, and cooling system, including a few that can leave you stranded if ignored. By understanding how these sensors work and performing even simple maintenance checks, you can prevent thousands of dollars in repairs, extend your car's life, and ensure your vehicle runs reliably for years to come. Continuing with the hidden sensors in your car, the next group focuses on safety, tires, and cooling, systems you rely on every day but rarely think about until it's too late. First up are the ABS wheel speed sensors. Each wheel has a tiny sensor that monitors rotation, feeding data to your anti-lock braking system and traction control. When one of these sensors fails, your car can lose stability assistance, ABS functionality, and traction control, putting you at serious risk during hard braking or slippery conditions. A single failed sensor can cause your brakes to lock unexpectedly in an emergency or confuse the ECU into miscalculating braking force, potentially leading to a skid. What's worse is that many mechanics replace the entire ABS module rather than diagnosing the sensor itself, turning a simple $50 fix into a $1,200 repair. Monitoring these sensors at the first sign of trouble can prevent a dangerous situation and save hundreds, if not thousands, in unnecessary repairs. Next are the tire pressure monitoring sensors, or TPMS, which many drivers treat as a convenience rather than a critical safety feature. Underinflated tires contribute to over 11,000 crashes and more than 200 fatalities every year, according to NHTSA data. TPMS sensors are battery-powered, and over time, the batteries die or the sensors fail. When this happens, you may be driving completely blind, believing your tires are fine, until a sudden blowout occurs at highway speeds. Replacing failing